Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use K-files. First, understand that K-files are fundamental for many applications, holding vital configuration settings or sensitive information. They act as the backbone, ensuring your software runs smoothly and securely. Learning to manage them correctly is key to preventing system errors and protecting your data from unauthorized access. We will cover the essential steps to interact with these files effectively. When creating or editing a K-file, always use a plain text editor like Notepad or VS Code to avoid hidden formatting. Pay close attention to the file's specific syntax, which could be JSON, YAML, or a simple INI format, as even one single misplaced character can cause issues. A critical step is to always create a backup copy of the original file before you make any modifications. This simple practice can save you significant trouble if an error occurs. Security is paramount when dealing with K-files, so managing file permissions is essential. You should set appropriate permissions to restrict who can read, write, or execute the file. Generally, grant read-only access to most users and applications that only need to consume the data. Crucially, limit write access to only administrators or specific trusted system services. This practice significantly reduces the risk of accidental corruption or malicious alteration, maintaining data integrity. To ensure long-term stability and security, follow several best practices for K-files. Regularly review and update their contents, especially after software upgrades or system changes, to maintain optimal performance. For files containing highly sensitive information, always employ strong encryption methods to protect confidential data from prying eyes. Finally, store all K-files in secure designated directories, ideally with restricted access, to prevent unauthorized discovery or modification. These steps ensure robust file management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.